Welcome to Data Finance 365. In this video, I will show you how to build a complete website in 10 minutes using AI from scratch. We'll be using Mixo AI, a powerful tool that allows us to create stunning websites quickly and easily. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to create a website with a logo, tagline, fully customizable mobile-first responsive design, and optimized for SEO. You'll have a website that is ready to launch and showcase your brand or business online. This tutorial will guide you step by step on how to create a professional looking website with ease. Let's get started. Now the first thing you'll do is go to mixo.io. I'll provide the website link in the video description. So basically provide this AI with a single prompt, one sentence, that's it. Now let's think of something, let's say help people save energy at home and reduce the carbon footprint through recycling. So this is a simple setup idea for your business that I'll provide to this AI and in this section. And once you click on generate site, it will start to build the website in the backend. You can see submitting a description, generating the startup name, designing a logo, collecting site images, crafting testimonials, writing the site copy, generating the site code, and configuring the website, adding social media as well, and optimizing the SEO. And also makes it mobile responsive as well, improving the page design, adding final touches, and here we have it. A fully functional website in under 5 minutes. Let's see what we have. On the top left corner, you see the website logo. I guess this is Energy Saver, is our company name. You can change that if you prefer. And this is a prompt we provided, the simple sentence, help people save energy at home and reduce the carbon footprint through recycling. And the tagline is your go-to platform to save energy and reduce carbon footprint through recycling, and which comes down here. It's actually ready for social media sharing, content optimized for SEO, target keywords, energy, home, carbon footprint, recycling platform. It's a mobile first responsive design, meaning it's gonna be very intuitive and mobile friendly on smartphones. And you can actually join a mailing list already by submitting your email address. It's optimized the images to fit in line with the business idea, energy you can see our platform provides you simple yet effective tips to save energy at home and reduce your carbon footprint, comprehensive recycling resources. You see the images are even optimized for your business to reduce the carbon footprint. You can see here we offer comprehensive guides on different types of recycling, from composting to electronics recycling. Join a supportive community, and at the very bottom there is a section on how to join the community. Let me just move this up. Right here, you can provide the email address. Let's go ahead, I'll provide my email address and hit submit. And it says success, will be in touch. Now, let's save and customize our website. I'll go ahead and sign in with my Google account. And remember, all this was happening in the back end with the AI platform. Okay, so here we have it. It says, congratulations, Energy Saver is yours. It's now been saved to your account. There are two options here, but I believe there's just actually a free plan. So there's a basic plan and a pro plan. The basic plan includes the launch of this one website, custom domain name, search engine optimization. You provide security, which is SSL security on your website. It's going to integrate Google Analytics. Remove the Mixo branding, which is typically on the right hand side here, so that it's more of a customizable website, and also provide you with email support. That's the basic plan. The other pro plan is $39, which is perfect for launching and customizing multiple websites, which means you can use this single website template to even create other websites for your clients or your businesses, which includes up to 15 websites, custom domains, search engine optimization, SSL certificates for security, Google Tag Manager, you remove the Mixer branding, and so on and so forth. But in our case, let's continue to the free plan. And in the backend, it's going to launch the configurator, which is more of a container management system that allows you to edit different sections of your website. Let's check this out. You have a hero section, which is this tagline right here. You can actually just edit this, and it's fully responsive automatically. You can add some text here, join our community, the image URL on the right hand side, the ratings. You can choose to show the customer ratings or disable those if you prefer. I think they look pretty cool. You can change the image URL for the rating person. Features. There's a section down here for the features. You can either show or disable that section, and you can actually edit all these sections of your website. Everything is fully responsive. Let's go down. Let's go to the footer section. You can actually enable that right here, and also disable it to show you the all rights reserved. You can add links. In this case, we don't have any links. Let's just say Twitter, something like that, and then you can add a URL. And right there we have the link enabled, so your social media sharing will be down here if you prefer, which means you have different websites. You can add, you can even add Facebook. So as you add those different links, they will show up down here. And socials. I guess these are other links to other website or products. You can, let's try this. You can add Instagram for all your social media, and it's going to enable the icon as well. And all these are different sections you can add. You can even add your website name here. And as you can see, it's a fully customizable website which you can publish later. Let's go up all the way. You can also edit your call to action, which is either enable or disable the different sections on your website. And you can also create a new website if you prefer. You can change the logo and also edit the primary color of your website. So look at that. You can even edit this to say a more energy friendly color like green for the planet, things like that for recycling. You have a secondary color that you can edit. And you can even enable the SEO title, image saver, the company name up here, and so on and so forth. And once you're done, you should be able to just click publish. Let's make sure that this looks good. I'll go all the way down here and disable the additional links I put in for Twitter and Facebook. So I've removed all those links, and let's click on publish. It's now building the website, performing some magic in the backend. So the AI is optimizing your site, putting all the different assets together, the images, the different sections of your website, and boom, your website is published. Let's click on this link, and here we have it. You can actually change this to mark your domain if it's registered, and you have a fully customizable website using AI. All this happened in less than 10 minutes of this video. Now let's go back to the website dashboard. It's another feature provided by Mix. So once your website is published, you get access to a dashboard which you can continue to edit your website. And if you come down here, you can actually Let's go ahead and I'm going to join the community, submit, and once I submit an email, it should show up on this section of the page. Let's refresh, and there we have it. My email address shows up as a recent subscriber, which means you can download the subscribers and import that to your favorite email list, and you can email your marketing campaigns and different things like that. And there we have it. We have built a fully functional website using Mixo. Let's show one more example. I'll create a website, say let's call it fruit processing for local farmers, and it's going to do the same thing. It's connecting to the AI platform, submitting the description, and generating a start name. All this is happening in the back, and I want to show you that this is not something I had done before. This is done uniquely right now from scratch, generating the site code and configuring the website. So pretty much everything is groundbreaking in terms of what AI can do in terms of helping you succeed in business, whether it's creating putting all your ideas together on your website, from the logo, tagline, and customizing everything. So here we have it. It's even generated a unique name, Fruit Pro, turn your fruit into profit, and it's a fully customizable website with all the right website SEO images from scratch. How cool is that? Alright guys, that's it. That's a look at how to use Mixo AI to build a complete website from scratch using a single prompt or a single website, which lets you get up and running in under 10 minutes. This helps you to think of more or less of an idea incubator. You can generate ideas and really test them out in the market real quick, which means rapid prototyping, rapid deployment of your ideas to see how they perform in the market without spending thousands of dollars, hiring a whole team of entrepreneurs to do this from scratch. Mixo AI makes the website building process effortless by providing a simple and intuitive interface along with a range of customizable templates to choose from. This means that you can get started with building your website in no time and with minimal effort. That's pretty much it, guys. If you like this video, subscribe to Data Finance 365, where I talk about careers, productivity, money, and data engineering. Until next time, guys, stay positive, test negative. Peace.